Do you want to have local LM inside your Obsidian? Similar to ChatGPT, you can use it completely free. If yes, then watch this video till the end. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and this is my new video. Thank you so much for coming back and thank you so much for your support. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how we can set up local LLM DeepSeek inside the Obsidian. If you're ready, then let's get started. The first step is set up Llama. Llama is an open source tool that lets users run large language model locally on their device. It's available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Open llama.com website and then click download button. After that, select your operation system. In my instance, I select Linux, and all the steps I'm going to do inside the terminal. Copy the command and paste it inside your terminal. Once the loading is finished, you can go back to llama.com website and in the top left menu, click Models. In the new window, you will see available models. I will choose DeepSeek. This model is really famous. That's why I want to show you how to install it. I would recommend you to choose a billion parameters model because it doesn't require a lot of RAM. It means you can see response faster. Then copy this command and paste it inside your terminal, and then hit enter. And basically this is the first part. Once it's finished download, you can close the terminal window. The next step you need to do inside the Obsidian. What we're going to do, we need to install community plugin. Open the Obsidian and then click the settings. After that, go to community plugin section and then click browse. Inside the search, write Llama. I recommend you to try Smart Second Brain plugin, but you can choose any from the available options. Select the plugin and then click Install. Installation takes around a minute. Once it's finished, you have to click Enable button. After that, click Options and set default settings. Llama base URL keep as is. Inside the chat model, select DeepSeek. This is the model that we just downloaded. And embedded model also select DeepSeek. And that's it. After that, you can restart Obsidian and at the left menu, you will see this chat icon. Simply click on it and at the right hand side, you will see Second Brain. Since we already done the first step, we set up Llama already, we can skip it. If you didn't start Llama yet, you can copy the command and paste it inside your terminal, and after that click the test button. If the test passed without an issue, you will see this green checkbox. And the final steps here will be installation of Llama embedded model. Just click install and wait when the installation completed. After that, from the drop-down, select DeepSeek model and then click start the Second Brain button. And that's it. And now you can use this LLM inside Obsidian. The good things, it's free and it's private. So now you can use this chat as a chat GPT. Please keep in mind that Obsidian trained on data before 2023 October. It means it's not up to date. However, the chat is really useful for a bunch of different things. You can summarize your notes, you can ask unknown questions, you can ask programming questions, you can ask math questions or grammar questions, and it also understands multiple languages. So give it a shot and share with me your feedback in comments below. And if you have the trouble with the installations, please let me know in the comments below and I will try to help. That's it. As you could see, it's so easy and so powerful. Please give it a try and share with me your feedback in comments below. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Please click like and share your feedback in comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. It's really important. If you haven't watched my other videos, please watch them. They are really useful. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.